totally sucks, you motherfucker. The government totally sucks.
Hey everybody, this is Nox. I'm wearing 3D glasses, and I'm talking about space today. I don't like that NASA's been shut down. I think it ruins the fun for everyone, because I think it's going to hurt our economy, and it's going to set us back on what we find out about space. Are there aliens? What the hell's going on? What the fuck? Government, why did you do that? It's supposed to save money. I think it's going to hurt us in the long run, because all that does is cause a lot of more unemployment for people. Here's a news article. Thursday, July 7, 2011. NASA's job loss. The launch of the final space shuttle not only marks the abandonment of manned space exploration and the scientific advancement it drives, it also will toll the bell on thousands of jobs and careers of the scientists, engineers, and other employees at the Kennedy Space Center. This loss will cascade through local businesses as well, further damaging the economy of both Florida and our country as a whole. The Obama administration has wiped out the Constellation program that was intended to replace the Space Shuttle program, dealing with additional critical damage to our nation's continued technological growth. What that means in the long run is we're not going to get it advanced for a while. So it's like we're doing good, and then you just take it all away. Okay, personally I think we should put more funding into the space program than take it away. Okay, I'm a big fan of Bill Hicks, so I was going to let you see a clip of him and what he thinks we should do with our money.
But even though that's the case, where we live in a world where good men are murdered and little demons run amok, I'm sorry, I still believe in us, and in fact I had a vision of a way we could have no enemies ever again, if you're interested in this. Anybody interested in hearing this? It's kind of an interesting theory, and all we have to do is make one decisive act, and we can rid the world of all our enemies at once. Here's what we do. You know all that money we spend on nuclear weapons and defense every year? Trillions of dollars. Instead, if we spent that money feeding and clothing the poor of the world, which it would pay for many times over, not one human being excluded, not one, we could as one race explore outer space together in peace forever. Thank you very much. You're great.
Pretty interesting, huh? Personally, I think that would be a lot better idea than what we're doing now. Thank you all for watching my video log. This has been another one. I hope you liked it. I hope you agree with me. Let me know what you guys think about NASA being shut down. Please post your comments below. Thank you.